tōku mana wā tāne ka whakairihia. Whāno, ere mai te toki o haumi e, hui e, I tai ki e.
Welcome to Fox Glacier.
And we're in the wonderful Chatham Islands.
Wow, look at these beauties.
And also really enjoying giving back, and it's a really powerful moment.
And your time starts now.
Business as usual can no longer go on.
But this one's going to be the deepest diaphragm wall excavation in our history.
Now the pressure's on. Oh, the eggs are cracking. I'm not cracking.
They want emotion all over this thing.
Smells beautiful.
Nei rā te ngā kau e kai kini nei.
I might never see it again, but I can die a happy man.
The memories of this place and of this event must be carried forward to the future, and it is up to you as young people to do that for us.
We will remember them.